to Zong card recharge on mobile. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So the first thing you need to do is you have to scratch the Zong card carefully. After scratching, go to your phone or dial. After that, tap on the keypad, and here you can simply dial on 100, and after dialing on 100, some instruction will be given to you. So according to the instruction, you can recharge your phone with Zong card, and the next step is you can simply tap on *101*, and here you have to enter the PIN number of the Zong card. For example, digits of the PIN number are like this. So by entering this, you can simply tap on hash and tap on call. And by doing this, your mobile will be recharged with Zong card. So by following this simple step, you can easily recharge your phone with Zong card. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.